This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both files. Save the Excel workbook to a stable location so links remain valid. Once done, select the chart or cell range in Excel and copy it. Then switch to PowerPoint and choose the slide where you want the live content. Use Home Paste Special and Pick Paste Link or Link to Excel depending on your version. Doing this creates a dynamic link rather than a static image, so updates in Excel can flow into PowerPoint automatically. Now you configure how the link behaves so it fits your workflow. You can select an object type, chart or worksheet object, which affects editability and appearance. Next, open File Info or the Edit Links dialog to set update mode. Automatic will refresh when opening the presentation, manual gives you control. Make sure to resize and format the linked object on the slide so axes and labels remain readable. If you need to tweak values, use Edit Data to jump back into Excel quickly. Finish by saving both files and testing the link. You should change a value in Excel, save it, then reopen PowerPoint to verify the slide reflects the update. Make sure both files stay in expected folders. Moving them can break links, so keep consistent paths or relink after moving. If the connection fails, go to File Info or Edit Links, locate the broken link, and either update, change source, or re-establish the link manually. One key troubleshooting tip: relink before recreating the object to preserve formatting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.